ahead.
What do we have to feed our animals kosher food, or can a dog eat bacon?
You cannot derive. Okay, so it's. Thank you very much. It's a good question. Very good question. So there's different types of non-kosher food. If you give him bacon, there is no problem, right? What would be the problem? The problem would be, and it is it is very popular in this dog food, I think, right? They have a combination of milk and meat together. You understand? So from this, we are not allowed to derive benefit from milk and meat combination. It does not matter. Like I did not cook it, but there are 3 prohibitions. You cannot cook it, you cannot eat it, and you cannot derive any benefit. So when you give it to your animal, you derive benefit. So there is kosher kosher animal food. So if needed, we can find out. What is a kosher, or at least maybe it's not. There is no kosher meat there, but maybe it's treifa, but at least it's not. There is no mix of meat and milk together. That's the issue. And during the Pesach, that's another issue. On Pesach, you're not allowed to derive any benefits from chometz. And chometz is flour, breadcrumbs. And sometimes that's what they have. This flour-based food. You understand? And even minute amount is not allowed. But usually they give a list before the Pesach. All of this kashrus agency, they whoever do certification for dog's food or for animal food, they said what is allowed and what is not allowed. So that's the thing. Okay.
What about fish and meat together?
Fish and meat for animals? In animal food, you mean? Yeah. There is no problem whatsoever. No, there is no problem. So it's only for human, and it's like sakana, it's endangered. So it's still kosher. So that's why we eat from different plates, right? So if you have fish course and then meat course, so we finish with the fish. We eat something hard, like piece of bread or whatever that requires chewing. We drink a little, whatever we drink, wine, water, whatever we drink, apple juice, and then you're allowed to eat meat. There is no problem. You don't need do anything else. That's enough. But for animals, there is no problem. You can eat them. So one more time, be careful with the milk and meat together. That's the biggest issue. And on Pesach, of course, the chometz is the issue. And the flour is you see the problem is the flour is the cheapest binder, right? Binder that binds all these ingredients together is the cheapest one, and it's filling, right? That's the issue.